Here we came up with a new project called Voice Control Robot. This can be used in various applications like military, surveillance, mining applications, etc. Now coming to the components placed here. Here we can see 9 volts battery and L293D motor driver and an Arduino board, Bluetooth module. This is a robot cheese and 100 RPM DC motor and an Android voice control app. This is an Android app used for voice control robot. And coming to the circuit diagram here, Bluetooth transmitter and receivers are connected to Android transmitter and receivers, and L293D driver IC data pins are connected to here GPIO pins, that is 2, 3, 4 and 5, and Bluetooth and L293D VCC and grounds are connected to Arduino VCC and ground. Backward. Stop. Left. Stop.